Get him. There you go. There you go, Mike. Get you on camera. There you go. Good job, dude. The spinnerbait. Got you on camera, buddy.
Just asked me how it's going, so I gotta send him a picture.
You gotta send him a picture now. Look at that. GoPro highlight. There you go. Yeah. Time, bro. Spotlight. Come to Top Drop, Bubba.
Throw the most expensive square bill to get him. Hit him with the Jimmy Hugh. My struggle's been real, guys. I'm out here with Magic Mike. Struggling. I'm struggling. But we're gonna get it together and catch some fish. At least we're fishing. That's all that matters. And at least I'm with him fishing. Got a chance to fish with him. So hit him with the Jimmy Hugh Top Drop. Let's get it.